Ever wondered how things survive extreme heat, like industrial furnaces or kilns? The secret often lies in refractory cement, a super tough material that doesn't melt or crack under fire. And the journey to making this cement starts with something you might not expect: bauxite powder. Bauxite is the primary ore we get aluminum from, but its processed powder has another superpower. When refined for cement, it becomes packed with alumina, a compound that laughs in the face of high temperatures. The processing is key. We're not just crushing rocks. It's a precise science. First, the raw bauxite is carefully mined and then crushed into a fine, consistent powder. This powder often goes through a high-temperature calcination process. Heating it up drives off moisture and impurities, transforming its chemical structure. The goal is to maximize the content of stable alumina minerals, like corundum. Think of it as pre-baking the ingredients to make them extra resilient before they even become cement. Once processed, this premium bauxite powder is mixed with other materials like calcium aluminate. These binders hold everything together when water is added, starting the hardening reaction. The high alumina bauxite acts as the aggregate, the tough, heat-resistant skeleton of the final product. The result? A cement paste that, when cured, can withstand temperatures well over 1,500 degrees Celsius. It's used to line furnaces in steel plants, create kiln linings, and build incinerators. Without this process, many modern industries simply couldn't operate at the intense heats they need. So next time you see a blast furnace or a glass factory, remember the humble bauxite powder. It's the unsung hero, processed from earth to endurance, creating the fireproof backbone of industry.